Look, what are you doing?
My homework.
Give me this little. Yeah. What you gonna do? What you gonna? Oh, rep. Yeah, give it a little. Come on. Oh yeah. Hey, little yo bitch. Yeah, move. Bitch. Ah. Fuck. Ah. Ah. Over here? Huh? Yeah, yeah. Huh? Do it on your phone, nigga. Yeah. Wanna check this shit? Yeah. Look at that. Uh-huh. That's what happens, right, Colin? That's what happens?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Here, Lou. I'm like glass in my hand. There's your laptop.
Hope you guys enjoyed that little skit. Now the bikes are warmed up.
We're just gonna go riding. Hope you enjoy it. So come along with us.
Mine's better, right?
They work, so.
No, mine's a lot better.
Only because I'm riding it.
Okay, we don't need that.
Alright, so we just got here at the pit. Got the bikes.
What's up? What's up?
Everything. It's kind of small, but I mean, it works. We get to ride.
One of the places we ride at, so.
Yeah, there's a bigger place we go. Sometimes we'll probably take you there, but right now is what we have.
Alright, well this is our bikes. Well, this is my bike. This is a 2013 TTR 125. It's not a monster, but it's a bike. And this is my brother, Anthony, which is not here right now. This is a 07 TTR 125. By the way, I'm Luigi, this is Colin. Don't worry, we'll do a later video on who we are, who the bros are, and all that.
So please stay, enjoy the video.
Alright, we're done. I'm gonna fucking break.